A good day to all. My name is Mervyn, the Head of Business Banking Singapore in UOB. And I'd like to thank all of you for taking time today to join us at the Singapore FinTech Festival. This is the second year that the Singapore FinTech Festival is held virtually. Before the pandemic, many of us have thought that large-scale meetings or events can be only conducted physically as face-to-face interactions are largely preferred. However, the pandemic has pushed many SMEs and individuals to embrace technology in their daily operations and lives respectively. In this current fluid business environment, SMEs will need to constantly adapt to sustain and grow their business. They must pivot their business models to include new or diversified revenue sources from online channels as consumer behaviors shift. At UOB, we are constantly seeking out new and innovative ways to support our SMEs so that they can connect to business opportunities and respond effectively to the challenges of the changing environment. We also recognize that business owners appreciate having a banking partner that's able to go beyond delivering financial services. This means supporting them with a holistic offering that enables them to manage the daily operations efficiently and grow their business. How we've done this is by building up an ecosystem of digital platform partners, providing essential services. For example, accounting solutions to food ordering solutions that our SMEs across the region can tap on. Now, beyond this, it is also about embedding our banking solutions within such partner platforms and conversely embedding partners' solutions within UOB's platform. This facilitates a seamless experience for business owners to access banking services as well as having a consolidated view of their financial data. Now, allow me to elaborate a little on how this is done. First, UOB BizSmart. We offer SMEs a program called UOB BizSmart that comprises a curated suite of partner digital solutions aimed at helping them embrace digitalization in order to enjoy greater efficiencies and expand their customer reach. From next year, SMEs can look forward to connecting some of the digital solutions with us via APIs. This allows them to perform banking transactions within the partner platforms. I'll leave it to the next speaker, Angeline, to share more about this new exciting enhancement later. Second, UOB BizMerchant. Other than supporting SMEs' digitalization journey, we also understand how difficult it is for small SMEs to obtain financing, as they may lack the financial records required to access the credit-worthy accurately. To address this, we partner with e-commerce merchants such as Lazada, Sendo, Shopee, to name a few, to offer SME financing on these platforms. Using the transaction data of the SMEs on the platforms, we are able to apply analytics to these data to gain insights into their credit behavior as part of a redesigned credit underwriting engine. The financing we offer on such platforms, known as UOB BizMerchant, is now live in 5 markets, including Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam. Supporting SMEs is in the heart of what we do at UOB, and we look forward to helping SMEs in their business needs. At the same time, we will continue to build our ecosystem of partners that include digital solution providers, as well as online platforms where we can provide embedded finance. If you're looking to digitalize your business operations, or you are keen to partner with us, we welcome you to have a chat with us to find out more. Now, I'd like to pass on to the other speakers, Angeline and Jinkia, who will share more details about UOB BizSmart as well as our ecosystem partnerships. Thank you and have a fantastic time at the Singapore FinTech Festival.
Thank you, Mervyn. Hello, everyone. My name is Angeline, and I'm part of the regional leadership team that oversees UOB BizSmart program in Southeast Asia. Today, I'd like to take this opportunity to share with you more about UOB BizSmart program and how SMEs like you can benefit from it. UOB BizSmart is a program of business management solution that has UOB embedded banking services for SMEs to manage their end-to-end business activities through web and mobile applications. We have curated a suite of partner solutions across 6 categories that we believe will make a big difference in your business. These ranges from accounting, HR and payroll, digital transactions, digital marketing and collaborations, and down to POS and payment services. UOB BizSmart will also be integrating with our partners through APIs, providing real-time embedded financial services and business insights. With these solutions, you can be more competitive, making better and faster business decisions with insights of your business operations real-time, more efficient through the automation of your tedious manual or repetitive processes, and be better engaged with a wider audience, expanding your business reach. Just a quick look at our current partners across each category. Expanding the breadth and depth of our partner solutions is an ongoing process. We hope to help in your digitalization journey, regardless of which industry you're in, so that you can increase workplace efficiencies, thereby leading to higher revenue generation. From next year, as our customer, you can benefit from gaining insights on your business performance alongside direct bank feeds, simplified digital payments, and up-to-date financials when you link your bank account to the partner solutions. For example, within Accounting Partners platform, viewing your bank account balance in real time will be as easy as a click of the button. Real-time payment is also made easier with the payment details already pre-filled. Simply review and confirm to proceed with the payment. So, register your interest with us today by scanning the QR code at the end of the presentation. UOB BizSmart strives to continue to bring together solutions that will meaningfully impact the way you run your business. Being our customers, we are very much invested in your business success as much as you are. Thank you for your time, and now I'd like to introduce you to Ajinka to take you through our UOB BizMerchant program and ecosystem partnerships.
Thank you, Mervin. Thank you, Angeline. Hi, everyone. I will now talk about UOB BizMerchant and Ecosystem Partnership Program. As Mervin mentioned, we, as in business banking, is present in 5 countries. UOB RMs are reaching out to these SMEs in a 421 locations to offer simple banking solutions. We have been leveraging on our traditional credit program to serve these SMEs. Since the launch of BizMerchant program 3 years back, we have redesigned this credit program by leveraging on the transaction data, or now what we call alternative data. We started gathering this data by collaborating with fintechs across the region who serve the SME segment, as well as those who are ready to share such transaction data with us. While gathering such data, we follow the required regulatory requirements related with the data protection as well as sharing. This transaction data provides us a meaningful insight in the SME behavior. Availability of such data reduces the dependence on the financial documentation which is required during the application process. It also helps us in building a customized BizMerchant program depending upon the solution which is provided by the fintech as well as the SMEs who are participating in their ecosystem. Now, why any fintech should share data with us? Of course, gathering such data facilitates our team in offering the banking solutions to the SMEs in their ecosystem. But at the same time, we also support these fintechs by expanding their business either by monetizing their data or by introducing their solutions to UOB customer. It has to be a win-win solution for both the parties to make it work. To launch the BizMerchant, we need a right type of fintech partner. Now, how do we select such fintech partner? There are multiple fintechs doing excellent work in the SME space across the region. So we started focusing on 3 main verticals for selecting such partners: retail, F&B, and real estate. Now, under retail, we started engaging B2B, B2C, B2B2C platforms, digital procurement platforms, marketplaces for SMEs, logistic providers, last mile delivery platforms, store and data aggregators. All these platforms who support these SMEs in doing their domestic as well as cross-border trade. Now, under the F&B, it was pretty straightforward. We started engaging the delivery platforms procurement platforms, as well as the restaurant solution providers. Even for the real estate, we chose primarily the platforms which are engaged in a tenant acquisition, digital contracts, as well as property management. Now, while we were focusing on these three verticals, we also came across few interesting partners such as P2P platforms, business matchmakers, as well as the ERP or accounting solution providers, and we added them to our list as well. We have been collaborating with all these different type of verticals. We will continue to collaborate with this type of verticals or this type of partners in future as well. To go one step further, now as we have identified these three verticals, even these three verticals are pretty broad. So how do we go and how do we choose a right type of fintech partner? So we started focusing or identifying the daily functions where the SME require the support. If we take an example of any restaurant, let's say if you want to increase your sale or if you want to if you want to simplify your procurement, what type of partners would you require? So we identified different functions such as increase of sale, improvement of procurement, doing effective marketing, providing a working capital, having a accounting, logistic, and inventory management support as such. We identified the partners who are providing such solutions. For example, let's say a restaurant who wants to improve their sale, we started collaborating with the food delivery platform. Those who want to simplify or digitize their procurement, we started collaborating with the procurement partners as such. So this is how we started with the three segments. Then we went on to the requirements and then identified the type of partners which we are supposed to collaborate with. Now the next activity is while we identified these partners, the next activity is to gather the data and start offering the solutions. So what type of solutions do we offer to the SMEs who are participating? So far, I have said we have been offering a traditional credit program which are developed for the matured SMEs. They typically offer the larger loans either supported with the collateral or unsecured as such. Now, what we have started doing is that we have developed two new programs targeting the younger SMEs. BizMerchant as a program targets the young and digital native as well as the hybrid SMEs. And when I mention hybrid, it means those who have an online as well as offline presence. BizMerchant leverages on the transaction data collected from the partner platform for the credit assessment. We offer small ticket, short tenor, unsecured facilities under this program. Now, if the SMEs who are participating need a slightly larger loan, what do we do? So we have also developed something called BizMoney Lite. Now, under this program, it covers the similar segment, which is the young SMEs as such, but it would take the hybrid, it will be focused on the hybrid customers, which that means they have an online as well as offline presence. This program will allow the younger SMEs to provide the bank statements and take a larger loans compared to the BizMerchant as such. With the development of these two programs, we have covered the full spectrum of SMEs either by vintage or by digital status. What I mean by that is that now we have a program for the younger SMEs, for the matured SMEs. We also have a program for the digital native or purely online companies or hybrid, which are online plus offline, as well as those who are purely offline. So the full spectrum is covered by these programs. BizMerchant program is embedded onto a partner platform. So how do we start a journey? So BizMerchant gets embedded onto a partner platform. Our UOB interface, the design is such that it will provide a choice to the applicant whether to go for the small unsecured loans, which is BizMerchant, or which is based on a transaction data, or ask for the larger loans, which could be BizMoney Lite or the traditional products by providing the bank statements. With this, now I end my presentation. Thank you all for your time. If you are a fintech who is interested in collaborating with us, kindly scan the QR code on this page, leave your contact details. We will get in touch with you and then we can collaborate further. Thank you.